alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I hope you are in a very good state right now. And I hope that you have high iman. I want to tell you, don't ever be sad. Because Allah's with you. This life is not worth of being sad. So you should always smile. Even sometimes you feel sad. I also feel upset a lot of times. Because I really just want to go home to Jenny. And I want to listen to and I want to read Quran all day. If you ever feel sad, you should just go do sujood. And you should remember that you're from the Muslim Ummah. That means that everyone is making dua for you, including me. So just keep your head high and be strong. Because after hardship is ease. Just like Allah promised in the Quran. When you feel sad, remember this life is just a test. And soon it will be over. And you'll be happy forever in Jannah. You won't be sad. And you get sweat and it comes out as perfume on you. Everything that's meant to happen to you, Allah wanted it to happen to you. So be happy for that. Don't be sad. You're Muslim and Allah loves you. So love Him back. I know I'm just a little girl. Please listen to me when I talk. When you go to Jannah, you won't even remember these times. And when something bad happens to you or you get hurt, Allah will take the bad things away. Inshallah, you'll find your way. Sorry about that. Sometimes Allah tests us with hardships, but Allah tests the people that He loves. So He loves you, and I love you too so much. I hope this made you happy. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.